So let's talk about starting an office cleaning business in 2025, a smart move with strong earning potential. Here are 5 compelling reasons why you should consider starting an office cleaning business. High recurring demand. Offices need regular, daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, ensuring a steady stream of many business outsourced cleaning instead of hiring in-house staff. Post-pandemic hygiene concerns mean businesses prioritize cleanliness more than ever. An opportunity to secure long-term contracts consists of great revenue, low startup costs, and high profit margins. You can start a small, basic supply and scale up. Cleaning equipment is very affordable and low overhead. Costs are low. Many clients provide their own supplies, reducing your expense. Profit margins expected 40 to 60% if you manage labor costs and supplies efficiently in your business. Flexible schedule and stability. Working evenings and weekends when offices are empty. Start as a solo operator and then hire teams as you grow and expand easily by offering specialized service, deep cleaning, eco-friendly options, scalability from offices to large corporate businesses to grow at your own pace. Scaling recession-proof industry. Businesses will always need cleaning services, regardless of any economy. Office cleaning contracts are less affected by the economy, downturns than luxury services. Essential industries, medical offices, law offices, banks, schools will always require cleaning. Long-term security. Office cleaning is a reliable, recession-proof business. Easy client acquisition and growth potential. Networking and calling outreach can land an office contract quickly. LinkedIn business directories referrals help you attract steady clients and opportunities to win government and corporate contracts for long-term income growth. Expansion. An idea is to offer this carpet cleaning, deep cleaning for higher earning potential. Final thought, 2025 is the smart move to start an office cleaning business. Office cleaning is very profitable, scalable, and in demand. With minimum investment, you can start and land high-paying clients. Growing trends like eco-friendly, post-construction, pandemic cleaning, standard cleaning, and create even more opportunities. So if you are tired of getting by while working that 9 to 5, start making good money with a side hustle of cleaning offices and running your own cleaning business. Thanks.